probably about 3 years ago when we were considering buying a house, and we were looking at on the market, and there was some that we even went to look at, and it just didn't feel right. Maybe 6 months after we started looking, we came home with this one. We had bought it from a guy down in Massachusetts.
So then, a year and a half ago, we kind of drew the line in the sand and gave our notice at work and said, "This is it. We're gonna do this." This is running an engine out of a '93 Subaru Legacy right now. So the original engine in these things is actually a pretty good engine, but it's 30 years old at this point, so it was kind of tired and ready for an update anyway. I'd never done any wiring before this either, but as I started learning about 12-volt wiring systems and how this all works, I grew to really like it. We put one lead acid battery in when we first got the van. We found it didn't have enough power for us, so we added a second one, and then after a year of using them daily, they were starting to die, and we were having to talk about getting replacement batteries. It's our refrigerator, it's charging our phones, it's anything that we need to do. We kind of need a little bit of power for it, but we were constantly fighting with keeping enough power overnight. So that's how I first started looking for lithium, and RELiON's one of the first companies I came across that had useful information for us to use, and I gave them a call a while back to ask if it would be right for our application, and they were really helpful.
We went from working pretty intense jobs, full-time, long hours, to having all of this time on our hands, and we'll stay in one place for several days at a time, usually if it's somewhere that we like. Make coffee. Coffee's a big part of our morning.
Yeah. Usually we're not trying to scream out real early in the morning. We'll take our time and actually sit and eat breakfast and enjoy the space that we're in.
Yeah, I think the ability to sit and stay for a while and actually invest.
Not have anywhere you need to go.
Yeah. We haven't gotten sick of it yet.
Yeah.